Parents, do you know how to correctly weigh your baby at home? Your baby's weight is one of the best indicators of healthy growth. Regular checks help you catch problems early. If you have a baby scale, that's ideal. Weigh your baby naked or with a dry diaper for the most accurate result. Make sure the baby wears minimal clothing. No baby scale? No problem. First, weigh yourself alone. Then, weigh yourself while holding your baby. Subtract the two numbers. That's your baby's weight. Use the same scale each time at the same time of day, preferably before a feed. Newborns often lose up to 10% of their birth weight, regain it by 2 weeks, double it by 5 months, and triple it by 1 year. Tip: keep a small notebook or phone log of each weight. You'll notice trends and milestones faster than a single reading. Celebrate small gains. Track your baby's progress using WHO or CDC growth charts. Links are in the description. Follow for more baby care tips.